Hey brick fans, and welcome to the Brick Bakery, where all our jokes are half-baked and most our bricks are medium rare. You might be sitting there wondering, does this guy ever buy new Lego? The truth is, yes, I do buy new Lego sets, and today I thought we could build one of them. So let's start with this one. This channel is mostly about the sets that I'm trying to reassemble from my childhood, but the thing is, a lot of those sets are missing pieces and I have to find them either locally or via Bricklink. So while I do that, I thought we could take a look at these modern day sets. And this one is the 616060 heavy duty rescue helicopter. I've always liked the rescue sets and the Coast Guard sets, and I really like this one because of the color scheme and the large helicopter. But without further ado, let's get to building. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and a bunch of stickers. Don't like those, but they are pretty. Back number 1, on to back number 2. It's going to be cool. Started to look like a helicopter or a boat. I like this. That's pretty cool. Book 3. Starting to look like a helicopter. Alright, here's the finished build. The rescue helicopter. I am really amazed about the size of this one because it's so big. I'm used to those small 4-stud wide planes, and this one is just humongous in comparison. You know, it's just, the wingspan is incredible. It's got some interesting functionalities. First of all, there's of course the main propeller, and then there are these sliding doors, which I like very much. It makes it seem very realistic. Then there's the swing arm here. It goes out and can be dropped down to rescue people. It's also got this back opening here, which has got room for the small water jet ski thing. Can go in here. Chook. Then of course there are the minifigs, the rescue diver. They have some great printing on them. Makes them seem very realistic actually. It's got a small carabiner and all that. It's good. We've got the other one, the one without a helmet. The pilot, which I kind of like very much. It's got this cool jacket And then we've got our man in trouble, the kayak rowing guy. He seems like he's in trouble, sweating a bit there. There's the shark as well, the classic shark, but this one has got printed eyes. I don't know, that's new to me. The classic ones only had those small dots for eyes that wasn't printed. I don't know. It looks angry, I think, and I'm not sure. I don't know what I think about that. I don't know, but anyway, it looks angry. Alright guys, that was the 6166 heavy duty rescue helicopter. I really like this set. The color scheme is wonderful. I like the white, blue and orange. They go so well together. And I like the size of it, and I like all the play functions that's in it. And yeah, it's generally just a good set. But that's all for me today. I hope you'll comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Monday. We just caught a big fish. We just caught a big fish. Oh no. Oh